The solar system is a gravitationally bound system comprising the Sun and all the objects that orbit it, either directly or indirectly. These objects include planets, dwarf planets, moons, asteroids, comets, and interplanetary dust and gas. It is located in the Orion arm of the Milky Way galaxy. At the center of the solar system lies the Sun, a G-type main sequence star. This classification places the Sun among typical stars that fuse hydrogen in their cores. The Sun constitutes approximately 99.86% of the solar system's total mass. The Sun's immense gravity governs the orbits of all other celestial bodies within the system. Nuclear fusion reactions in its core produce vast amounts of energy, emitted as light and heat. The solar system consists of 8 planets orbiting the Sun. These are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The planets vary greatly in size. The image shows their relative sizes, from the smallest rocky worlds to the massive gas giants. These planets are categorized into 2 primary groups. The terrestrial planets are rocky and relatively small. The gas giants are significantly larger and primarily composed of hydrogen and helium. The terrestrial planets are the inner planets, closer to the Sun, while the gas giants are the outer planets, farther away. Terrestrial planets have solid surfaces and layered internal structures, including crust, mantle, and core. Gas giants lack solid surfaces and consist of layers of gas and liquid, with rocky cores deep within. From the smallest terrestrial worlds to the largest gas giants, the planets demonstrate the diversity of our solar system. The inner solar system is home to the terrestrial planets, which are characterized by their rocky composition and proximity to the Sun. These planets include Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Mercury, the smallest terrestrial planet with a diameter of 4,879 kilometers, orbits closest to the Sun, completing a revolution in just 88 Earth days. Its surface is heavily cratered, resembling Earth's moon, and it lacks a substantial atmosphere, leading to extreme temperature swings from scorching hot to freezing cold. Venus, comparable in size to Earth with a diameter of 12,104 kilometers, is shrouded in a dense atmosphere primarily composed of carbon dioxide. This creates a runaway greenhouse effect, making Venus the hottest planet in the solar system, with surface temperatures reaching 462 degrees Celsius. Earth, with a diameter of 12,742 kilometers, is the only known planet to harbor liquid water on its surface. It possesses a moderate atmosphere rich in oxygen and supports a vast diversity of life. Active geological processes, including plate tectonics, shape its surface over time. Mars, with a diameter of 6,779 kilometers, is often called the Red Planet due to its iron-rich surface. It has a thin atmosphere and shows geological features suggesting past liquid water flow. Polar ice caps contain both water and carbon dioxide, and there is ongoing scientific interest in the possibility of past microbial life. The asteroid belt occupies the region between Mars and Jupiter, forming a circumstellar disk populated by numerous irregularly shaped bodies known as asteroids or minor planets. Located approximately 2.7 to 3.3 astronomical units from the Sun, the asteroid belt contains hundreds of thousands of these celestial objects, ranging in size from small boulders to the dwarf planet Ceres, which measures about 940 kilometers in diameter. Asteroids are primarily composed of rock and metal, representing the leftover material from the early solar system that failed to coalesce into a full-sized planet due to gravitational perturbations from Jupiter. These minor planets exhibit irregular shapes and orbit the Sun in this vast disk, providing valuable insights into the formation and evolution of our solar system. The outer solar system is home to the gas giants, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These massive planets differ significantly from the rocky terrestrial planets of the inner solar system. Jupiter, the largest planet, possesses a strong magnetic field and numerous moons, including the Galilean moons discovered by Galileo, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. Saturn is famous for its prominent ring system composed of ice and rock particles. The rings include the D, C, B, A, F, G, and E rings, with gaps like the Cassini division. Uranus and Neptune, the ice giants, are characterized by their bluish color due to methane in their atmospheres. Neptune features a rocky core, an icy mantle, and a dynamic atmosphere. Beyond the orbit of Neptune lies the Kuiper Belt, a vast region in the outer solar system containing numerous icy bodies and dwarf planets. This disk-shaped zone extends from approximately 30 to 50 astronomical units from the Sun, housing thousands of frozen objects left over from the solar system's formation. Among these objects is Pluto, classified as a dwarf planet since 2006. The Kuiper Belt also includes other notable dwarf planets such as Eris, Haumea, and Makemake, along with numerous smaller icy planetesimals and cometary nuclei. These bodies are composed primarily of water ice, methane, and ammonia frozen at extremely low temperatures. Farther out from the Kuiper Belt, at distances ranging from 2,000 to 100,000 astronomical units from the Sun, lies the Oort cloud. This vast, hypothetical spherical cloud is believed to be a reservoir of icy planetesimals that serves as the source of long-period comets. These comets take more than 200 years to complete an orbit around the Sun. The Oort cloud is thought to contain billions of icy bodies, potentially numbering in the hundreds of billions. These Oort cloud objects, or OCOs, are perturbed by passing stars or galactic tides, sending some inward to become observable comets with highly eccentric orbits that carry them far from the Sun. Unlike the flattened Kuiper Belt, the Oort cloud forms a roughly spherical shell around the entire solar system. This structure suggests it may have formed through the scattering of planetesimals by the outer planets during the solar system's early evolution, creating a distant boundary to our planetary neighborhood. Beyond planets and asteroids, the solar system hosts comets, icy celestial bodies that develop glowing tails as they approach the Sun. These primordial relics from the outer solar system contain frozen water, carbon dioxide, and other volatile compounds. Planets and dwarf planets are accompanied by moons, natural satellites that orbit them. These moons vary greatly in size, composition, and geological features. Some exhibit active volcanoes, while others harbor subsurface oceans beneath icy crusts. Comets and moons enrich our understanding of the solar system's diversity and history. These celestial bodies provide insights into planetary formation and the potential for extraterrestrial life.